Welcome back. This video now will show you how to enroll and register. For example, if you're doing a 3-year course and you have retakes in second year, second semester, or say you're in 4th year and you have it also in the previous semesters, this video is supposed to show you how to do that. And then the next one will be when you are when you're done with your studies and you've come back to redo some retakes. So you'd come, say for example, I'm in year 2. Since this is a master's program, it only has those 2 options, but the others could go up to 5 years. So I'll come register as a finalist and then have retakes. I'll say yes. Okay, and then it brings up the option. It could be in year 1, semester 2, or in year, as you can see, and I'll come and pick the course units. So I have this, and the registration status, I'll choose retake paper and add the course. Say I had 2 for that semester, I'll pick up another one. Let me see, could pick up this as well. Okay, retake paper, and I add the course. So I'll come here and add courses, right? And when that is done, I click the enroll now. When I click the enroll now, it brings up, of course, all those things that you're seeing. And there are other fees. The other fees, 40,000, is really for the retakes, because the retake payment is 20,000. And also I should have paid my tuition as well. So if I'm to generate the tuition, if I'm to generate a PRN, it will come up with this. It will be a payment against this amount of money, 2,540,000. When I do that, I will take these details as previously showed to you, and then go and pay in the bank or pay via mobile money. And then the next thing to do, of course, is to come and register after you have paid, because it will allow you to go through. I come and register. Am I doing plan A? That's for a dissertation or a core. So I'll choose plan A, dissertation, and then put it as normal paper, and then I add the course. And when I click register, I might get an error telling me you must first pay, but this is really the process. As you can see, you cannot proceed without fully clearing the mandatory other fees. That other fees was for the retake. Okay, thank you, and let's keep building for the future. The next video will be for after you're done with your studies and you have retakes, say after 4 years or after 3 years of study. Thank you.